We've seen the US come out with a report that 2023 election was not, there was suppression, vote buying, and it was not credible. So I don't know, but do you not think they are coming out too late, bringing out that report?
You know that there was a similar report, on what transpired under Wike in Rivers State, where it was being stated that the result of the election in favor of the APC was stage managed in Rivers State. That was a big indictment. But unfortunately, the Nigerian court or the judiciary did not look at it from that angle. What the US is trying to tell you, US is not a small country. If a report of that magnitude should come from a country like US, it's credible. And their observers have been saying it over and over again, that the 2023 election was severely manipulated. The Igbo'S in Nigeria were being threatened, especially in Lagos, not to come out and vote by touts sponsored by APC and Tinubu, including the governor of Lagos State. You know what happened? The president himself lost election in his town, state, ward, to peterobi. They are telling you that peterobi won the election. There's no two ways about it. So what it means that currently now we are operating illegal government.
People say peterobi came third. That it was not even the second.
You don't know what I'm talking about. You don't know what I'm talking about. When they mention Lagos State, what do US mean? Did the PDP win in Lagos State? Why did they choose Lagos State as the reference point? That tells you that PDP won the election. Now PDP win election for Lagos State. Lagos State is the largest state in Nigeria, and of course, the African commercial hub. Considering that it was former capital and a lot of federal investment is here. A lot of crowd is here. They overwhelmingly voted for Obi. Even the Yorubas, the Hausas in Lagos State voted for Obi. But the group of Mahmoud, the Nigerian judiciary, we are mourning them today because of the damage they have done. We have seen APC government now under Tinubu. Intelligence is here. Intelligence is here. Intelligence is here. Vote for intelligence. Intelligence is back. Vote. We don't see the intelligence now. Have Nigerians not seen it? Rana Mokri, how far? Intelligence is here. Intelligence is here. Vote for intelligence. Intelligence is back. Daniel Buala, how far? Intelligence is here. Omokri, although I've mentioned that one. So, how far now? How far? How far? Look at the whole government, the largest cabinet in the history of the world. Tinubu is running the largest cabinet in the history of the world. Bro, you know what it means? They manage the economy. That is why the governors, APC governors, are advising him, bring Obi from the back door. Like what the EFCC chairman told Yahaya Bello, come from the back door. You know what it means? That you come from the back door so that people will not see you. You give me an idea. They are trying to attract Obi, but the popularity of Obi, peterobi, has continued to spread overwhelmingly.
They want farm.
Peterobi is being invited anywhere around the world today. Because of what? Competence. Competence. Tell me the Democrats in Tinubu's administration. Tell me one person, apart from political settlements, Oh, vote to me, what I come, become minister. What did Wike do? He manipulated minister. Jettison them, throw them away. Go to America, go to anywhere. They are viable, cerebral Nigerians. What I mean by cerebral, technocrat, tested, proven, who will step into the Nigerian atmosphere, economy, administration, and transform. Bros, Tinubu cannot defend Nigeria in the World Conference. Tinubu cannot defend Nigeria before IMF. Tinubu cannot defend Nigeria against World Bank policies. It has shown now. Dollar go 2,000, it come down to 100. It don't come. Small time, it go up. Bros, we never see film. Now film, Nollywood movie. Now with the watch. Under APC government.
Nollywood.
And when Obi was saying that this is what they do now periphery. Leave the economy, leave this. Okay, look at what is happening in Lagos State. Instead of taking issues the way it's supposed to be, they buy Indomie, they dash people. They eat them for 2 hours, everybody go hungry again. They say they are doing well. Bros, you saw what happened? The governor of Lagos State, he said it's 5,000, but 500,000 household. The population of Lagos State is over 10 million. And that 500,000 kitchen can only be entitled to 1 carton of Indomie or highest 2 cartons of Indomie. And that 2 cartons of Indomie, they can be able to finish in 3 hours. Is that what we need? Why can't someone give Lagos State electricity? Even though it doesn't do road, leave everything. We are not expecting you to be like Ambode. Say, for my tenure as governor of Lagos State, 8 years, Lagos State is having constant power supply like this. Go to all the nooks and crannies in Lagos State. You see the legacies of Ambode. Go to Kola. You know where Kola dey? If you want to go to Ota, enter Kola, AIT Road. Go and see what Ambode. Go to this thing now. You see, bros, those are the things we are talking about now. Bro, anybody who say Ambode not do well, go call police for them. Go call police for them. You see, Ambode, Fashola, at least we can see their legacies. That's not my business. Bro, I'm making references. What leadership is all about. Where we continue to have the wrong people always on the seat of power. Now the US has come out to tell the whole world that Lagos State is a fraud. You go say let me talk. Election in Nigeria, fraud. Let me talk. It's not my. When Tinubu won the election, did you see Nigeria celebrate? I'm asking you now. Everybody is in a mourning mood till tomorrow. And that is why we have seen that at the end of the day, bro, let me tell you, the thing they are doing themselves, they are also doing their own people. Yoruba said they don't want restructuring again. They have given Nigeria options of unity over the years. Look, from the days of Gani Fayemi, from the days of Felani Kulabakuti, those who speak truth to power, not be this one where go carry 1,000 yards sew cloth, 1,000 yards they sew cloth. Every day they do like this. Go and watch them now. You think they have time to think? How can one person be struggling with clothes? Every now and then you see him doing like this. There's a problem somewhere. You think that those things have no psychological effect? It has. Fela is the only person in this world that wear trousers no pockets. You don't see Fela trousers get pockets before. Go and check now whether Fela trousers get pockets.
Why wasn't having pockets?
No, now you are going to ask now. Now you are going to ask. Why is it that Fela is not wearing trousers that has pockets? No! There's something, there's more to it. There's more to it. Fela no get sense. There's more to it. Check your own now, carry pockets.
You can collect bribe. Your own, you can collect bribe.
Yes. He said, police uniform. Now tell her they do what? Swam. But by the time we become more African, we will discover ourselves. By the time we become more African, my brother, go to China, they know they use spoon to chop. They use stick. As African, un-African themselves. Everybody now they form big boy. Who is they form big boy for? You've not been able to make spoon. Fela say I no go wear tie for my life. Do you know why Fela no wear tie? You no wear suit. He said you don't want homoria. Do you know the disease called homoria? That's what is affecting all those leaders in Abuja. How can a black man be wearing tie, wearing suit? Fela said, I cannot. That's why you see Fela, if he raise up his hand, check all his clothes like this, you will not see any pockets. People have not thought towards that direction. Because the situation in Nigeria does not allow Nigerians to think. Fashola, Ambode cannot give us light. He said we could chop Indomie 2 hours. Sowolu. Sowolu. Bro, if you see where they line up Indomie, a lot from here reach. Then Nigerians will line up from here to Sagamu. They will be sharing them Indomie. The governor will sit down and be watching. Indomie.
If you chop up finish 2 hours, you go
Bros, all these guys, something is wrong. I'm telling you, something is wrong. It's not a joke. It's not a joke. It's not a joke. It's not a joke. What has anybody done in Lagos State? See road. Sowolu. What has he done? See road. Sowolu, who is a Christian, who are supposed to some level. Also, okay. Look at Alex Oti. The Northerners are saying that Alex Oti should replace Tinubu. That's what is trending online now. Alex Oti take over Asurok. That's what is trending online now.
Alex Oti is
working.
Are you talking about is working? How can you be talking about from Lagos to Calabar, 15 trillion coastal road? Where is it done? From Cairo, Egypt, to 9 countries, $1.5 billion. But from here to 15 trillion. It's unnecessary. When what is it called? Go to Obawele, no road.
You
go to Oshobo, no road. You go to Agege, no road. And you are building from Calabar to Lagos. My brother, what is wrong with them? Maybe we should start calling police. Oh, police is also not there. Maybe, bros, there's nothing wrong with call the police for Mr. President. Is there anything wrong with that? Go and report Mr. President to the police. No, I'm asking you, is there anything wrong with that?
It cannot happen any.
Yeah, and report Mr. President.
We pay
it cannot happen in any part of the world.
Is there anything wrong with that?
He's the number 1 man in the country.
That means there's no government. That means there's no government. When you cannot report to the president, there's no government. You understand what I'm saying? That's my take on that. Thank you.
But sorry, last time. But do you see the 2027 election? Do you see it being free and fair?
No, it's not about being free and fair. We are asking that we are tired of elections. Yeah. What we want is disintegration peacefully. We are not longer interested in restructuring. We have attempted it. It's not working. And it looks as if it's not going to work. Because what is coming is killing. Let everybody go to their places and defend their land. Go and listen to Professor Akintoye, Banji Akintoye. No more restructuring. We are done. Peaceful disintegration. Anybody, see, bros, let me tell you. Now, when I go there, how can a governor line up for Indomie from here, reach sky? Nigerians go hungry, go line them up. The whole world, the video, they go line up from here, under sun, reach Shagamu. When I go to share them, Indomie, one carton, they go carry house, put them for inside water, boil them. Under 1 hour, they finish them. They still stay like this. Bros, leave all those guys. Disintegration. After all, 100 years never reach, it don't pass itself. And it's coming, you know. Bro, Nigeria cannot continue like this, God forbid. Whether on the process we're able to meet 2027 election, then let us look for a competent leader. But we don't want everything to be done once. If it is one sector, focus on one sector. Make it workable. Look at what Alex Oti did in Anambra State. He looked at the power sector. He fixed the power sector. The whole companies in Lagos are running to Abia State now. That's why he's busy opening road, doing road sharp, doing road sharp, doing road, so that there will be ease of doing business. There will be ease, building roads, every community. About Port Harcourt, go and look at it now. There will be buying and selling activities, economic activities, and there is light, and there's light 24 hours. That's why they say you should come and take over. Alex Oti, move to Asurok. That's what people are saying now. Either by commission or by omission. Even though the constitution did not approve it, just enter. Go and do your work in Asurok. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Samuel Ekpa, the Prime Minister for the Biafra people, has come and say, acclaimed. Yes, has come and said that they will be sit at home 29th, 30th, and 31st of next month. Just for the people, Biafra people, to go and vote, you know, for one referendum. With this sit at home, do you not think it's tiring? Do you not think it's affecting people, personal businesses in the East?
We are doing the remembrance of Biafra. You know, that's what we want to understand. You know, the day Biafra was declared as a republic, we are taking up from there, and also to remember those who fell during the Nigerian Biafra war on the side of Biafrans. You know, talking about sit at home, you know, I don't know, I've not heard, I'm just hearing it for the first time now. But all I know is that yearly there's always a kind of anniversary, you know, where Igbo'S, of course the Biafrans, will reflect, you know, on what led to the declaration of Biafra as a republic. That's what I understand. Anything apart from that, you know, I do not understand it to mean sit at home. That's my take on that.